Kentico CMS, the What You See is What You Get editor, or WYSIWYG Editor, is based on the industry standard CK Editor. This default editor is available in many parts of the system, from web parts to blogs. The default toolbar is similar to what you find in Microsoft Word, with additional features for Kentico CMS. The toolbar is composed of action buttons. Each button can be hidden based on security requirements, which is an ideal solution for editors who don't need to use all of the available actions. Let's take a look at using the WYSIWYG Editor and the default toolbar by creating a new blog post. We can do this by logging into CMS Desk, selecting Community, Blogs, and then Brad Summers blog. From here, we're going to select New, and then create a new blog post. We're going to name our post title, New Blog Post. We'll give a post summary of Welcome to our site. And then in our post text, the first thing that you should notice is that we have available the WYSIWYG toolbar. This toolbar is broken into different sections that allow you to manage and edit various aspects of things like formatting, as well as copy and paste activities that occur within your text sections. The easiest thing to point out is that we can select Source, and we can directly edit HTML. So for example, if I wanted to create an H1 and say this is a headline, and then take off our source, you'll notice that we now have our initial headline. So we can edit directly our HTML. We can also paste directly from Word. So if you notice here, I have a very simple Word document that I'm going to go ahead and select and then copy. I'm going to go back into my blog post, create a new line, and select Edit from Word. And in my pop-up, I'm going to go ahead and paste my Word document and click OK. If you've ever edited with Word, you know that this tends to bring in a lot of extraneous characters, and the WYSIWYG Editor will go ahead and clear that up for you. You also have the capability of doing selection and then formatting. So for example, I can go ahead and make it bold or italics or underline or strike through or superscript or subscript, whatever I need to make my text look attractive and create better copy for my website. We also have the capability of doing a find and replace. So for example, if I want to do a find and replace everything with the word lorem with the word test, I can then do a replace all, and it'll go ahead and replace all of those occurrences, as you can see here. The WYSIWYG Editor also gives me the ability to create either numbered lists or ordered lists, as well as justifying. So for example, if I wanted my Welcome to Kentico CMS to be centered, or even right justified, I can do that. Where the editor really starts to get powerful is with the ability to insert links. So for example, if I wanted to select Kentico CMS and insert or edit a link, I have a couple of choices. I can insert directly from my own Kentico CMS installation using attachments or content or media libraries. I can also link to the web. So for example, if I wanted to link to www.kentico.com, I can go ahead and insert this link, and if we click on our source, you can now see that it's automatically created our link for us. Additionally, if we go ahead and clear this up, we can also leverage other capabilities within our Kentico CMS environment. We have the ability to insert or edit image or media, so this gives us the ability to directly import files if we wanted to bring in files from our local and save them into Kentico CMS, or quickly insert an image, which is a powerful way of taking images from your local machine and bringing them up into your Kentico CMS environment. And of course, it's important to understand that you want to link together other areas of the system. So for example, you can insert biz forms directly into your environment. And what this will do is it will generate the tags that are necessary if we were to save this and then preview our document. You can see that we've directly enabled a contact form right within our blog post. What's nice about these types of features is that it allows you to connect in different areas of your Kentico CMS environment. If we go ahead and delete that, we also can go ahead and insert polls. Polls are a powerful way of collecting information from your end user. So if we wanted to insert and reuse our new website poll directly within a blog post, we can go ahead and do that. So now that I've inserted it, let's go ahead and take a look at our preview. And as you can see, it's brought it in and it's made it available for people to go ahead and update or participate in the poll. A couple other areas that are important to realize around the WYSIWYG Editor. You also have the ability to bring in ratings as well as directly link to YouTube videos. So this allows you to create greater breadth for your content. And last but not least is the ability to leverage styles. This style allows you to create a set of default styles that you can enforce among different users and create a very consistency in how you manage and update your environment.